chocolate bark is happening today. Along with a decorated cake bonus, so stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Simply Wendy Live Love Bake. If you're new to the channel and you like to bake and cook, you've come to the right place for recipes, tips, and techniques. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Today I'm making a marbled chocolate bark to decorate a cake. It's so easy to make and it will give your cake that professional touch that you're looking for. I made chocolate brownie loaf with a meringue a couple weeks ago. So I'm gonna post a link to that recipe and video in the comments below. The only thing we need for this chocolate bark is chocolate. I have, this is about a half cup of dark chocolate. And I have about a half cup of white chocolate. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about a minute, minute and a half at 30-second intervals. All right, a little change of plan. Instead of white chocolate for our marbling, I am using milk chocolate. My white chocolate decided to seize up on me, and I'm out of white chocolate now, so change of plans. All right, here we go. Now this is definitely not meant to be precision. It's supposed to be messy and drippy and fun. Now, first off, what you're going to need is a flat surface, like a baking sheet, like this, and a silpat. This is what I make my macarons on, but it's kind of like, it's silicone, but you can also use parchment paper, that's fine as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chocolate and we're gonna pour a little bit on. Try and get this into a rectangle shape. Again, doesn't need to be neat. Now that's our dark chocolate. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the milk chocolate, and I'm just gonna kind of drop little blobs of it. And I'm going to take a fork, and I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth to get a nice little marbled texture in here. See what I'm doing? Oh, that looks really pretty. And now I'm going to take, these are white sugar pearls, and I'm just gonna put a few of these on here for some contrast. Now that I have my chocolate all poured, I'm going to put this baking pan, into the refrigerator for about 5 minutes so it just begins to set. So now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to score this chocolate. I'm not cutting all the way through, I'm just kind of scoring it like this because it will be easier to break it into parts. So now I'm going to put this back into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes so that the chocolate sets completely. Now I have our pieces of chocolate out. Oh boy, that really comes off nicely. And the next thing I'm gonna do once I get all of these taken off is I'm gonna be decorating my husband's cake. Well, welcome back. And here we are. I originally thought that I was just going to be making some chocolate bark and putting it on the top with a little ganache drizzle, as you see here, with it coming down on the sides. But then I got inspired and I thought, well, what if I put this chocolate bark all around the outside, give it kind of a medieval look. So that's where we're at. And let's see how this cake evolves. birthday, Michael.
It's the Stegosaurus cake.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.